Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and if you're a Twitter user, well, there's a big outage that happened. Now, it seems to come back. I was trying to do some, check out my Twitter account earlier, and it couldn't log in. It was very, very weird. It was very slow. Even now, as I am doing this video, it's actually extremely slow compared to what it actually could be. Hopefully things are back to normal. But if you had some problems with Twitter, this is a kind of a worldwide Twitter problem right now. It seems to be it like we don't have news. So is it a DDoS, a denial of service attack, or is it just some kind of Twitter problem in its servers? But it's going on. And like I said, it's back, but it's slower than normal, so I don't know. Something is happening here. Hope that you guys are okay. These are attacks that we get from different sources, and one of the things that maybe I should do a little series about is how bad guys can actually attack huge, places that often people are on the impression that they just can't fail. But when you do a huge distributed denial of service attack, or what often you probably seen as DDoS, is capable of taking down anyone. It just needs to be coordinated and have a lot of requests at the same time. And you know what? It's surprising what it can do. So I don't know what is happening with Twitter, but I had at least a dozen messages in the last 2 hours saying, what's happening with Twitter? Twitter's down. I can't access my Twitter account. So just hang in there. It's coming back slowly. We'll have more news about what's happening when it does. And hopefully everything will be okay. So it seems to coming back. It's one of those things that you're just wondering. And there's, I looked at all the tech channels and everywhere where you got news about why something is happening. I had pretty much nothing in news items. So hope that it should be coming back from wherever it was, whatever problem, maybe some server on the Twitter side of things, maybe DDoS or denial of service attacks. But it's coming back slowly. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.